video, I want to show you how to create social media safety survey. First, you need to click add on Kulfi form and then the form template, and you can search social media safety survey. After you found it, just click load selected template. You can check the dashboard, responses, questions, and the settings too. Just refresh the page and then you click Kulfi form and get link, and then just click continue here, go to your account and then click advanced and go to Kulfi form and then just click allow here. And you will get a link like this. Just copy it and paste it into your search engine. And now the form is ready to use. You can also change the questions or custom it. For example, here I want to insert new row and I add text and copy the text and change it, for example, username, and go to your form and it will show like this. Or maybe you can change the type into radio button and the text type account. Don't forget to fill the options, for example, private or business. It will show like this in the form. Or maybe you can delete the row if you don't use it anymore, so it will disappear instantly. Also, you can change the background color of your form in the settings, like pick any color that you want and it will change instantly. Thank you.